How are you today? Okay, so today we're going to have our speaking test. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. Please say something about yourself.
My name is Chu.
How old are you? I'm
I'm 7.
okay, you're 7. So today we will talk about school supplies. Okay. What's this? It's
Marker.
Okay. What's this? It's pen.
Me.
What's this? It's pen.
Pencil.
Okay. Last one. What's this? It's crayon.
Crayon.
Okay, crayon. Okay, food. What do you have? I have
Book.
pen
Me.
and
So.
okay, pencil. Okay, food. Answer me with yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you have pencil? Okay, yes, I do. Do you have paints? Yes, I do. Very good. Now let's talk about toys, okay? What's this? It's a train, boat, balloon. How about this one? It's a ball. Okay. What toys do you have? I have yo-yo. Okay. Answer me with yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you have car? Okay. Do you have doll? No, I don't. Okay, very good. Now let's talk about colors. Okay, what color is it? It's purple. Okay, it's blue. How about this one? Yeah. Okay, yellow. How about this one? What color is it? Black. Very good. Now answer me with yes it is, no it isn't. Is it white? Is it white? Yes or no? Yes it is. Is it red? Yes or no? No, it isn't. Okay. What colors do you like? I like blue. Very good. Do you like black? Yes or no? No, I don't. Okay. Now let's talk about numbers. What number is this? This one. It's number
2.
Okay, what number is this? It's number 6. What number is it? 10. Very good. Can you count 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now let me ask you, how many pencils are there?
2.
Okay, there are
2 pencils.
very good. Now, how many scissors are there? There are scissors. Okay, very good. So that would be all. Thank you and goodbye.